welcome back to another video. Pretty excited. Picked up a new truck a couple weeks ago, and there she is. It's a 09 LMM Duramax. So actually, cool story. Best part about this thing is it's paid for. There's no payments. Last year I had the same truck, but I was making stupid payments on it. I sold that flatbed. I paid $3 grand for it, and put the flatbed on it, fixed some rust, and I sold it pretty much the same price I bought this thing for. So the truck market's pretty darn crazy right now. It does have one of these fancy switches on it. Sounds pretty good too. 5-inch straight pipe. I do have quite a bit planned for this truck, so be sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a like. Tell you what, it feels good to be back in the diesel. That gasser just did not cut it. I mean, how much fun can you actually have in a gasser? I mean, once you step on the throttle, does it sound like this? I don't think so. Anyone want to take bets? How much it costs to fill her up? Well, it stopped at 74 bucks. Well, that's how much Speedway put your card at, so you can't go over $74 each time you try to get gas. So that's pretty lame. Thanks, Biden. I appreciate you. Like I said, I got pretty big plans for this thing. Probably start with the front end of the truck. And those wheels have got to go. They're so ugly. I mean, for being in Northwest Indiana, this thing's pretty clean. There's like not an ounce of rust on it. Wheel wells not bubbly or anything. You guys should leave in the comments what kind of wheels you think I should put on it. It's definitely got to be black for sure. Probably end up blacking it out.